there. I mean, what do you do when you know? Oh, Glory, you can hear her from here. Yeah, listen to that. You think my downspouts is working in my gutters? My goodness. I'm out here in my half slippers. Well, there goes another limb off of one of my autumn blades. And I see one way down there. Oh, that's a toad strangler. Another one way down there. I'd stick my camera around there, but I think the banana crop is cropping. Oops, I better not go out there. That'd be dangerous. Limbs are scattered, blowing. Wonder where the neighbor's former cat is. Well, I hope Facebook lets me put this on there, but my goodness. I don't have to water today. I do have to feed the hummingbird feeders. Fill them up, fill them up, fill them up. That's a real good gutter job there. I ain't mentioning who did it, but anyway. Well, that was exciting. Wonder if the electricity back. Maybe I should sing the Star Spangled Banner song. Oh, Glory's waving in the. Oh, that's a big one down there. That's a real big limb down there. Way down there. Another one of my autumn blades. Way down there. I don't think you can see it. Yeah. About the time I get all the limbs trimmed, here comes another toad string. I don't think my honey will get across the driveway tonight. I better shut up and get inside. Oh, say, can you see? My, the dawn's early. I got moisture on my lens, so I better clean that off. Y'all have a good afternoon. I'm safe.